Salut tout le monde! What's poppin'? What's up? It is officially, well, last night after Gingerbread House Palooza, it was officially Christmas Eve. But it is officially Christmas Eve. It's actually officially Christmas. And we are just now wrapping gifts because my mom doesn't feel good and she decided to just be like, here you go, and go to bed. So I'm gonna be Santa and all the elves, and my cousin Amira is here. Hey guys. And she's gonna help me wrap all the gifts, and we're gonna watch some Terrell and get our lives. So cheers to wrapping. Don't wait till the last minute like I did. Usually I have this down packed and this is all done and under the tree. I failed. Okay, failed. Tip: if you get the really like basic white gift boxes and you're overwrapping, you can pretty much just decorate it. One of my favorite things to do is use tulle as like a decorative item. This is just glitter gold tulle that I got at Hobby Lobby. I want to say that it was like $3.99, but I got it on the week that it was half off, so $2. And you measure one way, so like that, and another way, and then the opposite direction twice for each length, and then I leave a little bit of extra and I cut like that. And something to hold on to. Then you're going to take a little more extra of this. So I take it like this and fold, and then fold, fold, and fold. Like 3, 4, 5, however many times on your heart. And then I put it right in the middle like that, and I take both of the ends that were left over from the extra, tie down, and then I fluff. And then you have like a gift that looks like you spent hours, maybe not hours, but you actually took the time to like prep and bless and love on a little bit more than usual. So that's what I do. And then we'll just write on the box. But how cute is that? So cute, right? And it's really simple. I've been doing gold and black tulle, and sometimes I do ribbon. I have a whole bag of ribbon, and sometimes I do different color ribbon, but I just think that's like a cute, simple way of doing a gift, and it looks dramatic and elegant and fun. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
What are you making in the kitchen?
Gingerbread.
A gingerbread house? Is this your first one ever?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My mom, look at
Who's that?
That's Mama.
That's Mama. It's Mama.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Merry Christmas. You'll remember my name next year, but...
You like them?
Oh yeah, she loves it. This is so cute. Yeah. So cute.
You guys are talking about
Graduation, 5
who's
years
having
of
kids
work.
next.
Then after that, we can think
think's gonna
about
have kids next?
Think.
Out of all of us? Not me.
See, but...
Please, no. You
Not me.
I got...
My brother thinks he's gonna be one of our cousins, Steve, and he's currently 22. And then my brother said he's next, and then me.
By the time you get
And his
there,
excuse
you're
was,
like,
I need a
"Alright,
solid man.
I'm not even tripping.
What was your reasoning as to why I'm third?
He's number one.
You need a man. You need, like, an entire man. I'm talking, like, a unit. All of the letters. Every single last one.
Like, he needs to be a legit dude.
No. Not a legit dude. Like, you can go find yourself a legit dude anywhere. You need a U-N-I-T. U-N-I-T. That easy.
So how many years do you think before that happens?
Hopefully 2. Oh, hello. How's it going, guys? Welcome to my TED Talk. So let me tell you about this. Shay has been single for the past
26 years of her life. Anyways, so she has been single for the past 26 years of her life. That being said, Shay Ma needs a man in her entire life. She's not gonna. There's little kids around. Anyways, so here's what needs to go down. If you are not a man's, don't step forward. If you are a man's, she's your girl. Good night. Merry Christmas.
Don't do that. Let's not do that.
Be kind to everyone and share with.
And look out for people.
Look out for people. Can you please cut the light on, Connect?
I want the light off.
Say it one more time for me before I go.
I want the
How did
light
this
off.
happen, you guys?
I want the light off.
Okay, but what did I tell you?
Look at Connect being the bestest big cousin ever.
Chill out.
He's
Okay.
trying to raise them right, so. Or help raise them. Because it takes a village.
Share with
Other people.
and be kind to.
Yeah. Other people.
There we go.
Good job.
Alright,
Where's your
let's go.
baby?
Is it my turn? She's next to me.
She's next to you. What's her name?
Do you have a thing?
Snack and Sarah, I just told
What
you
is-
the
what's
first
your
time.
thing?
I just told you the first
Is she scared of the dark?
Huh?
Is she scared of the dark?
No.
Talk to other people.
No, because she's a big girl, right?
Yeah.
How old is Snack and
Get
Sarah?
away from video games. My God, let's go.
4 years old, just like me.
4 years old, just like you. What's her favorite food?
Rice.
Rice. Rice and chicken.
Chicken.
Such an African doll.
And
Such.
All right, guys. One last time. Come here. All right.
He's gonna
see
say
you later.
hugs to you guys. Say bye to him. Gotta take him back.
Oh, mwah.
Okay,
Love you.
say
All
bye.
right, come on.
you already did us that.
I know.
Okay, gotta go drop him off. So, I am about to be off to bed. Just dropped my brother off. Just said goodbye to most of our family members. It is past my bedtime. It is like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I am exhausted. I cleaned the kitchen, and had some help from my cousin. Any other day, though, y'all owe me. Y'all owe me. But no, I am so grateful for the time spent with family and the memories that we created, and being able to have some of our family members from out of town come this Christmas was one for the books. It's been a minute since me and all my siblings have been under the same roof. Just everybody's life is hectic and everybody's lived in different cities, and so being able to be under the same roof and hold all of them and see each other, and watch everybody open their gifts and just make new memories was absolutely amazing and beautiful. And I am beyond blessed and thankful and grateful to God that all my family. Time for me to go to bed, so I'm gonna go to bed because we still have a lot of things planned for the cousins that are in town. And yeah, we're gonna continue to create memories this week. But let me know down below what kind of things you guys do for Christmas, and if you celebrate on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, and what your traditions are, because I really, really want to know what other people do. I hope everybody is inspired, uplifted, and loved on for the next couple days. Make sure that you take the time to bless somebody else this holiday season. And yeah, subscribe, people. We're trying to grow a channel. And the only reason I'm whispering is because everybody sleep in my house, or else I would be yelling. But what did you do?
I washed my face. I put on my clothes. I brushed my teeth.
All by yourself?
I didn't put this on all by myself.
But you brush your teeth and you wash your face by yourself? So proud of you, Bisou. We got the same straw. Where are we? Can you say Chili's? We're at Chili's. Tita is over all of the Africans because they're really loud in this Chili's, like we're in somebody's living room and we're not. Oh, why did you make a heart with our cups? Tell them. Why did you make a heart?
Because she's my best friend.
Oh! Your food. You gotta go eat. So go back under the table. And then go around. You wanna take a cup with you? Keep going that way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
There you go, get your money, Lyle. Hey, whoa, shake your leg. Somebody happy birthday. You can do it too.
I get how I live. Hey! I live it how I get it. I pull a bit of lit, man. Hey! Oh, she lit. Hey! This is Tita's song. Hey! What?
Wave hello to the top.
You can catch me.
Every day, hey, I was afraid once another graduate was okay. So I prayed, every hour, nigga, but congratulations, this
Why you stickers in your face? Boy, bounce out. Why you stickers in your face? Bounce out. Why you stickers in your face? What? Hey, hey. Get a CC? Work. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, Kevin. What? Whoa. Hey. Bouncing around, bouncing. Hey, hey. What? Whoa. Y'all don't even realize what time it is? Let's pump the bottle. Happy New Year. She didn't even realize what time it was. Nobody realizes what time it is?
Bougie.
Hey! Happy banane, banane, banane! Okay. Look. So what you're gonna do? Banane? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Banane.